Okay, here we go in Ocean Cay. Keep still here. Let's walk down into the water, join my wife. Beautiful. Beautiful. How pretty this is. Unbelievable. Showing a little fish. Now this water is very clear, but Eileen likes to stir up the seaweed.
Not stirring up the seaweed.
Let's go further in. Say something. I want to go over there by the edge. Sitting over there. And there's the ship, but you can't see it because they're building something over here. Okay. There we go, just walking through all this seaweed. Go into the water in a minute, but here we're making our way over to the edge. Okay. More seaweed. Some birds making these funny noises over here. Guys, cute birds. Go and that's it. Yeah. Look at this. Gorgeous. What are they doing out there? I guess this stops the sharks from getting in here, huh? I guess this stops the sharks from getting in.
Why is it a net?
Yeah, it's a net. It's a pretty thick one, but you know, so fish can come in, but nothing big. I mean, a small shark, I guess. That's interesting. This is the Bahamas. Well, part of it, Ocean Cay, Ocean Cay. There's my wife. Speak to me, woman.
This is the life.
Can't hear you.
This is the life.
Okay. Sure is. Oh, let me get down. Oh, yes.
Is that a drilling?
It looks like they're putting
Oh, they're putting things in the
like
water.
pylons in the water. I tell you, just a couple of seagulls making all the noise.
Yeah.
Crawling on my knees. Okay, so turn around, speak to the camera. Well, it's good to be here. I have decided that I'm going to retire a year earlier than I planned on it. Actually 10 months earlier. Or 9 months, so 10 months to go now. It was 1 year and 9 months, but I've decided to retire at 66 instead. So I've got 10 months to go. Anyway, this is a trip we weren't planning on taking, but I'm glad we're here, loving it. This is the first stop, and we leave here tomorrow at about noon and have a day at sea. Then we head towards Costa, and then Cozumel the following day, and then back. But it's always good to be with my amazing wife, and man, we've done a lot of trips together, and hopefully many more when we move to Europe. So anyway, okay, hold on, she's talking to me, so I'm going to stop this now.
It was a dragonfly. It's massive.
Yeah?
Look how big they are.
Where?
Huge.
I don't see them.
They're flying there. Look at it.
I don't see them.
There.
She's pointing there. I don't see anything. I see rocks.
Dragonflies don't fly in rocks. They fly above the rocks. Yeah, here's one right here. Look how big they are. Look.
I think she's messing with me. I don't see anything. Maybe the camera's picking them up because I sure don't see them. It's not a dragonfly, it's a seagull, Eileen.
It wasn't.
I don't know what she's talking about. I'm stopping this.